The drama between South African DJ Black Coffee and music executive Nota Baloyi has just hit a whole new level. We're talking high court battles, massive property deals, and accusations that could shake the entire industry. So, what's really going on? Let's break down this complex story from the very beginning. It all started with a post from Musa Kawula, revealing that Black Coffee is suing Nota Baloyi for defamation. To understand how we got here, we need to rewind. Black Coffee and Yentle Mbali's love story began in 2011 with a customary marriage, later formalized in 2017. Their union was in community of property, meaning Enel was legally entitled to up to half of their joint assets. During their marriage, Black Coffee's career exploded. He became a household name globally, collaborating with stars like David Guetta and building a massive fortune. But in November 2019, the fairy tale came to an abrupt end. Enel announced their separation in an emotional video, citing infidelity. It later came out that Black Coffee had fathered children with 2 other women during their marriage, a revelation Enel described as the final straw. This is where Nota Baloyi enters the picture. Starting in 2020, Nota began publicly accusing Black Coffee of being abusive towards Enel. Black Coffee's lawyers sent a cease and desist letter, but Nota didn't back down. In fact, he claimed that police, allegedly sent by Black Coffee, harassed him and seized his phone. This marked the beginning of a relentless pattern. Nota, known for his provocative podcast and history of losing defamation lawsuits, positioned himself as a vocal critic of Black Coffee. Fast forward to October 2025. The Johannesburg High Court finalized Black Coffee and Enel's divorce. The court ruled their customary marriage was valid, throwing out Black Coffee's claim of an antenuptial agreement, which Enel alleged she was misled into signing. The settlement was huge. Enel was awarded monthly maintenance for herself and their 2 children, and crucially, up to 50% of their joint assets. With Black Coffee's fortune estimated at R1 billion, this could mean a payout of around R500 million. Shortly after, Enel triumphantly announced on Instagram, "I'm officially Miss Malachwa." Just days after this landmark divorce ruling, Black Coffee made a jaw-dropping purchase. He bought a R157 million mansion in Clifton, Cape Town, known as the Pentagon. This architectural masterpiece is a 5-level villa with panoramic ocean views, a private cinema, a gym, and a stunning infinity pool. The deal was reportedly closed in just 48 hours, making it South Africa's priciest residential sale of the year. The timing, coming so soon after the divorce settlement, raised eyebrows everywhere and provided Nota with the perfect ammunition. Nota immediately connected the dots, suggesting the purchase was suspiciously timed. He began publicly accusing Black Coffee of financial misconduct. He even brought Black Coffee's adult son, Isona, into the fray, claiming he was being used as a front to hide assets and prevent Enel from getting what she was owed. These are serious allegations of fraud, and Nota's posts were seen by millions, painting a picture of a wealthy celebrity allegedly trying to evade his financial and familial responsibilities. This brings us to the current lawsuit. Black Coffee filed an urgent application with the Johannesburg High Court to stop Nota. His legal team argues that Nota's statements are baseless, defamatory, and are causing significant harm to his global brand. He's asking for an interdict to force Nota to delete the posts, issue a public apology, and pay R$25,000 for emotional distress. Nota, however, is defending his post as public discourse. He argues that he is simply commenting on important issues like alleged abuse and questionable financial dealings. The case has exploded on social media, with fans divided. Some support Black Coffee's right to privacy and protection from slander, while others see Nota as a whistleblower speaking truth to power. This legal battle is more than just a celebrity feud. It touches on serious legal principles in South Africa, like where to draw the line between free speech and defamation. Historically, South African courts have often sided with plaintiffs when their reputation is harmed by unproven claims. As the hearing date approaches, all eyes are on the Johannesburg High Court. Will Nota be silenced, or will his claims be deemed legitimate public commentary? Meanwhile, Black Coffee is trying to move forward, focusing on his music and philanthropy, including his upcoming Africa is Not a Jungle event. Yentle Mbali is also focusing on her own projects and empowerment initiatives, embracing her new chapter. But this lawsuit ensures that their past remains firmly in the public eye. What do you think? Is Nota a reckless commentator, or is he raising valid questions? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Thanks for watching.